Okay, so this is the first point that he talks about. It's called geographical economics. What he
Okay.
explains is that
Oh,
how much money you have is not just dependent on your income, right? It is income minus expense. So
sure.
when you subtract the expenses from your income, what is left is what you have to use or to invest or to save. So the expense part cannot be completely in a way neglected from the income part. So what he explains is that if someone is living in a like a very moderate place, let's say some place in Brazil, you can have a very good quality life with a
Yeah.
low income
Yeah.
because the expense of living itself is low. But the
Exactly.
same person who is staying in
Yeah.
Manhattan or New York
Yeah.
has just for like a small apartment in Manhattan is killing expensive, right?
Exactly.
Because it's Manhattan, right?
Yeah.
So just
Yeah.
because the area is expensive, you have to pay more. So it's like a vicious circle, right? So in a way,
And
what
plus
he's
you're
trying
not
to
plus you're
explain.
not living the luxurious life that you want if you're yeah.
Exactly, because the way he explains it is that you're like if you're working for a job, how much you're paid is not just dependent on how much work you do. It's also dependent on what that average salary of that area is. So if you go to
Exactly.
Manhattan,
Yeah.
they will have to pay you like a certain amount of money, but that's not really yours. They are paying you because you're staying in Manhattan. So whatever you're getting is going to go anyways in just because of the expenses. Whereas if you stay in some place like Brazil for that matter, or you stay someplace in South Africa, right, or like any other like place in Europe, right?
Yeah.
There, because the expenses are so less, whatever you make on your own is really yours because
Yours.
expense itna nahi hai. So that is the
Yes.
way he explains
Yeah.
geographical economics.
Yeah.
Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?